Crash course on Croatia, geolocation, natural landscapes, outdoor adventures. Welcome to Croatia, a land of breathtaking natural beauty, stunning landscapes, and outdoor adventures. Let's explore the unique geographical location, national parks, and outdoor activities that make Croatia a must-visit destination. Geolocation and natural landscapes. Croatia is located in southeast Europe, bordering the Adriatic Sea. Its geographical diversity includes coastal regions, islands, mountains, and lush plains, offering a wide range of natural wonders. National parks and outdoor activities. 1. Plitvice Lakes National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, famous for its interconnected lakes and cascading waterfalls. 2. Krka National Park, known for its striking waterfalls and opportunities for swimming in clear river waters. 3. Brijuni Islands, an archipelago of 14 islands with diverse wildlife and ancient ruins. 4. Plitvice National Park, a paradise for hikers and climbers with its rugged canyons and peaks. 5. Meljet National Park, an enchanting island park with saltwater lakes and pristine nature. 6. Rishnjak National Park, a mountainous park, ideal for trekking and wildlife spotting. Recommendations for day trips and excursions. 1. Dubrovnik to Montenegro, explore the Bay of Kotor and the medieval town of Kotor in neighboring Montenegro. 2. Split to Hvar Island, discover the stunning island of Hvar, known for its lavender fields and vibrant nightlife. 3. Zadar to Plitvice Lakes, take a day trip to witness the cascading waterfalls and crystal clear lakes of Plitvice. 4. Zagreb to Tracoskan Castle, visit the fairy tale-like Tracoskan Castle, nestled in lush greenery. Practical travel tips and budget-friendly options. 1. Transportation. Croatia has an efficient bus and ferry network, making it easy to travel between cities and islands. 2. Currency. The official currency is the Croatian kuna, HRK. Credit cards are widely accepted, but it's good to carry some cash for smaller establishments. 3. Accommodation. Croatia offers a range of accommodation options, from luxury hotels to budget-friendly hostels and private apartments. 4. Cuisine. Enjoy traditional Croatian dishes such as seafood, grilled meats, and local wines. Look for konoba, traditional taverns, for authentic dining experiences. Interesting story: the legend of the Bell of Zadar. In the city of Zadar, there is a unique sea organ that produces music using the motion of the waves. According to legend, a young boy named Ivica wanted to ring the bells in the church of St. Donatus but was too short to reach the ropes. One night, after the boy's death, the church bells began to ring on their own, and locals believed it was the boy's spirit. Today, the sea organ in Zadar pays tribute to this legend, creating ethereal music through the power of the sea. Top 12 attractions, Croatia. 1. Dubrovnik Old Town. Explore the ancient city walls and charming cobblestone streets. 2. Diocletian's Palace in Split. Wander through the Roman palace that has become the heart of the city. 3. Plitvice Lakes National Park. Marvel at the cascading waterfalls and turquoise lakes. 4. Hvar Island. Enjoy the beautiful beaches and lavender fields of this trendy island. 5. Rovinj. Discover the enchanting old town and picturesque harbor. 6. Pula's Roman Amphitheater. Admire the well-preserved Roman amphitheater in this coastal city. 7. Krka National Park. Swim beneath the Skrodinski Book waterfall in this lush park. 8. Zagreb's Upper Town. Stroll through the historic district and visit St. Mark's Church. 9. Korčula Island. Get lost in the narrow streets of the birthplace of Marco Polo. 10. Zadar's Sea Organ and Sun Salutation. Experience the unique sounds of the sea organ and the magical light display of the sun salutation. 11. Trogir. Step back in time in this beautifully preserved medieval town. 12. Vis Island. Visit the secluded island known for its stunning blue cave and pristine beaches. Summarizing this crash course on Croatia: a land of wonders, where nature's hand crafts landscapes that few can withstand. From Plitvice's waterfalls to Dubrovnik's walls, a journey of beauty, enchantment enthralls. Explore Hvar's lavender, Pula's Roman grand, Krka's cascades, a paradise unplanned. In Zagreb's charm and Trogir's embrace, Croatia's treasures find their place. Plan your journey with ease and delight, Through Booking.com, your path made bright. Song. Verse 1. In Croatia's land, where wonders lie, a symphony of beauty fills the sky. From mountains tall to the sparkling sea, a place of dreams, where hearts run free. Chorus. Oh, Croatia, your spirit soars through ancient streets and rugged shores. Your song of history, bold and strong, in every heart, forever long. Verse 2. The sea organ's melody, a tale untold, as waves caress, its secrets unfold. In Zada's embrace, the music plays, a tribute to the boy's spirit always. Chorus. Oh, Croatia, your spirit soars through ancient streets and rugged shores. Your song of history, bold and strong, in every heart, forever long. Bridge. Dubrovnik's walls, a fortress grand. In Split, Diocletian's palace stands. Plitvice's lakes, a fairyland. Nature's canvas, a masterpiece at hand. Verse 3. On Hvar's lavender fields, the sun sets low. In Rovinj's harbor, love's whispers flow. Korčula's maze, where stories roam. Croatia's charm, a place to call home. Chorus. Oh, Croatia, your spirit soars through ancient streets and rugged shores. Your song of history, bold and strong, in every heart, forever long. Outro. So let us raise our voices high in praise of Croatia, where dreams touch the sky. A land of wonders, a place of grace. In Croatia's embrace, we find our place. *****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8=7989335. Thank you for kind support our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.